of Nueva Ecija Police Provincial Office, in grateful recognition of Nueva Ecija Police Provincial Office in invaluable support to North Luzon 3 Annual Joint Tactical Inspection and General Assembly of Troops.
Gentlemen, for snappy performances of our parading troops, let us give them another round of applause.
Mga kasama, pinapaabot sa atin ng ating panauwing pandangal ang kanyang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa parangal na inawag natin sa kanya ngayong umaga.
Thank you, troops. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, may we hear the inspirational Director of Nueva Ecija Police Provincial Office, in grateful recognition of Nueva Ecija Police Provincial Office in invaluable support to North Luzon 3 Annual Joint Tactical Inspection and General Assembly of Troops. Given this 5th day of May 2026, during the 2026 Joint Tactical Inspection and General May we also call on Senior Fire Officer 3, Benj Bauto, to represent Fire Chief Inspector Ryan L. Pascual, the Cabanatuan Bureau of Fire Protection, to receive the Certificate of Appreciation. Mr. Israel T. Adjerari, LDRRMO2, to represent Dr. Giovanni M. Garcia, the head of the Cabanatuan Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, to receive the Certificate of Appreciation. May we also call on the personnel of 7th Installation and Management Command to receive the Certificate of Appreciation, starting with Lieutenant Colonel Aaron G. Aloro, the Commanding Officer of 7th Installation and Management Command, Philippine Army, Fort Magsaysay, and First Lieutenant J. Oropesa, the Commanding Officer, Company of 7th Installation Management Battalion, Installation Management Command, Philippine Army.